Good afternoon to all my kadiskartes there. Today's vlog is I'll be making a Skyflakes Milo cream with raisins. This is requested by my chief engineer here inside the ship, and he requested to speak me in English so that they can understand what I'm saying. So I'm trying all my best to speak in English so they can understand it. So let's start doing the desserts. This is the ingredients of our Skyflakes cream with Milo. So I use 1/2 bucket of Skyflake crackers, 750 ml whipping cream, 2 cans of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of Milo, 1 cup of resin, vanilla essence. It is optional. So let's start making these desserts. First, you need to crush the Skyflake crackers using bottles, just like this. This is the outcome of the Skyflakes that I crushed. So the next step is we need to make the cream of this. So let's start again the next step. This is the next step of the cream. This is 750 ml. Then the 2 tablespoons of Milo. And then condensed milk. Then mix like this. My nose is already bleeding. This is requested by one of my subscriber that I speak in English. So mga kadiskarte, pasensya muna. I know you understand me. This is already the cream, mga kadiskarte. So we can make now our Skyflakes and this. We mix together. I add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Let's start. Then the resin. Cream. This is the outcome. So I leave this for 1 hour until the Skyplex absorb the cream before putting inside the freezer. So let's wait for an hour. So after 1 hour mga kadiskarte, ilalagyan na natin siya sa freezer. Kaya tara na. Dito na ako sa freezer mga kadiskarte. Ganito yung freezer namin kalaki. Ayan. Dito ko siya ilalagay ng hanggang 3 oras mga kadiskarte. So hintayin natin hanggang sa tumigas siya. So this is it mga kadiskarte. After 3 hours of freezer, this is the outcome. So this is okay already. So I hope you enjoy my videos and please watch until the end. So we are done now for our desserts for tonight. To all my kadiskartes, I hope you enjoy it and you can make it at home. And I will put the ingredients on the description down below. So and there is a shout out. My nose is already bleeding mga kadiskarte. So shout out to Janine Albuero, Monique Gascon Directo, Jofrel Gonzalez, Edward Tumulden, Florence and Larry Pagdilaw, they are couples, Dennis Xavier. And shout out also to Palaus or Jerry from Calbo. Belated happy birthday to Romel Asuna, Delia Rosario, and also to the Post Office Quezon City, Nia Road, especially Sir Edrelin, Sir Pio, Sir Delpin, Boss Ray Anthony, Marlon Manipon, J.R. Ventura, and they are assigned in Murphy area, Quezon City. And also to Rowena, nickname Mine. And of course also to my Chief Engineer Jax Labuschain, or we call it Jack. And I hope you enjoy my video, and please like, share and subscribe. And thank you for all your supports. God bless.